welcome back to Rock It Don't Stock It. Today we're going to look at the Adidas 350 V2 Butter. So we've got the Yeezy 350 V2 in hand. This is the Butter colourway, the most recent one that's just come out. I think it was last week. There's nothing really special separating this from other V2s apart from the colourway. On the prime knit upper, they've gone for like a sort of off-white, milky, yellowish sort of colour with these lime neon yellow details on the heel pull tab and on the laces. The insole also carries that same lemony lime sort of colouring. Midsole in the same off-white, slightly transparent colour as you can see there. Encased boost as you see on the V2s. Outsole, gum outsole. Everyone likes a bit of a gum on the outsole, and that's about it. So this pair's missing the 350 striping that you get on some pairs. It's safe to say that the Yeezy hype has been laid to rest. This pair was possibly the easiest or one of the easiest cops. It depends if you are near some of the stores that get to stock a big amount of these trainers. If you're not, it might be a bit more difficult with the raffling and all that stuff. But for me, it wasn't so difficult to get these. I do like the V2. I'm not one to shy away from Yeezys. I think they are a nice trainer, they're comfortable. Price point is a little bit high, but as far as trainers and shoes go, these are one of the most comfortable by Adidas. The only thing I don't like about V2s is when they made the V2, I think the first editions didn't have this sort of rubber lining you get in the toe, in the inside. So make sure you get half a size up. If you get it true to size, it may be uncomfortable. So go half a size up. Retails 170. Places to pick up were mainly raffles, like size, Foot Locker, they had online release Adidas, things like that. But these weren't so hard to pick up this time. I am a fan of this colourway. It's just the name that threw a few people off, I think. The name Butter could have been changed. I think lime, lemon juice, something like that would have been more fitting. But overall, it's a decent trainer. It's not too bad. It's what you expect from your Yeezys. So that's about it on these 350 V2s. Be sure to like this video, drop a comment, subscribe to my channel, give me a follow on Instagram at Rock It Don't Stock It, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.
Both fans clussy, chillin' with my man Rusty, low down. Blew off the burner, kinda dusty. The world can't touch ghost, purple tape, Ray co-host, Monty Hall Expo, intellect direct pro, sun's trifling fuck, wildflower on the cycling. Picked up the broom, thought I was Michaelin, West Brighton Pool. Now I'm into iron duels, turners, the earth's whoopee. She out of law school, inhale, break beats of hell, air light propel, parallel. Cell nut, you flash the burn cell. Snap at the Candyland kids, the old rumor is blacks become immune to shit. We never did like eating dead birds. Trust the pharmacy over herbs. Men marrying men ill, they got the herbs. Post on, scissor hand, wig vanished in the winter. Living on plan, you got them right. I fuck fans, king me. Checkmate, props like the Michael Chip founder.